a pitch dark room? I'm Gracie with WTI, and these motorized roller shades from ZSHINE will give you that complete darkness that you're looking for. We get a ton of afternoon sun through this window, and I was super impressed on how it blocks out every inch of sunlight, making it 100% blackout. We've even noticed our AC doesn't kick on as often after installing these, which is an absolute plus. So this is actually a pretty neat design. The shade sits inside a track on each side, and there's a little strip on the bottom rail that prevents any light from peeking through. The shade fabric itself is very thick and high quality, and it has an aluminum frame, so everything is super solid and heavy duty. We definitely recommend 2 people for installation. You can either hardwire it directly or use the solar panel option like we did for a hassle-free recharge. We like that the motor is nice and quiet, and that it comes with a simple remote to adjust them. And the cool thing is you can customize these to fit any window in your home. There are multiple different color and fabric options to choose from. Once you experience the full blackout effect from these shades, you will never want traditional curtains ever again. And that's my point of view.